Many of you will likely already have a website built with perhaps a page that you'd like to bring into Page Generator Pro to then begin generating out perhaps some landing pages or similar for programmatic SEO. In this example, we've got a bathroom renovation company called Plumco, and they have a pretty standard landing page about what they do, their experience, some images, quite a complex layout here that we can see. And we'd like to bring this into Page Generator Pro and use this very same design and start using the keyword system to be able to mass generate this page with a number of different locations. We'll see here that we have the location name of Nashville, but actually we want to target perhaps some other cities as well. So to do this, if we navigate to the All Pages section of the WordPress site, we then have this option here when we hover over the page called Import as Content Group. If we click that, we're then told that the content group was created, and you'll also see that we are now in the Page Generator Pro Content Groups section here. And yeah, we can see that's the content group there that we expect. If we go ahead and look at this, we have the same design that we had from our page. All of the styling and the content has been brought over, and this will work for the block editor or for any of the supported page builders that we list on our website, and that can include things like Elementor and Divi as well. The next stage will be we want to have a keyword created that we can then use in this content group. So we'll go to the keyword section of the plugin, and we can either create our own keyword if we have perhaps our own location data, or we can use the built-in generate locations feature. So we'll go ahead and do that. We have separate tutorials on how to use this in more depth, but a quick overview here. We'll give the keyword the name location. We want the output type to be the city. We will target an area of the West Midlands in the United Kingdom, and we will generate the keyword using those settings. We're told that that worked, and we can see here we've got a list of all of the sort of towns, villages and cities within the region of the West Midlands. If we go back to our generate content screen and select the content group that we're working on, we can then begin to add that keyword within the content. So for example, we can enter it in the title here. We could also go ahead and do the same here. And if I work through the content, I can add this keyword as and where I feel it necessary, and that will depend obviously on the website and the content and what we're trying to achieve. So let's also go ahead and replace it there as a quick example. There's no limit on how many places or times you can use the keyword. You may want to use it more, you may wish to use it less. The next thing we want to do is make sure that we have the content group settings correct. So in this case, I tend to start from below the content here. I like to work my way through these settings and then move to the right hand side of the screen. So for the permalink, we'll do bathroom remodeling followed by the location keyword. And then moving to the right hand side, if you don't see this, so if for example this is all you see on your screen, you can click the sidebar or settings icon here, and that will toggle this, and then make sure we click on content group. The template we'll use, this theme comes with a couple of additional templates, so let's go ahead with the full width and no title, and we'll click on save. The first thing I like to do is then click the test button. This will produce a single page in a draft, so it's not visible to people not logged into your website, but it's a good way to make sure that things work. And we can see there that our location keyword was replaced with the first location, Acots Green. And if we scroll down, I think we did it here as well. Fantastic. From there, we will go ahead, click generate via browser. So after a few moments, the process is completed. We can either return to the group, or in this case, we'll click on generate content, and we can see here we have 203 pages. If we click view generated content, we get a breakdown of everything that was produced by this content group, and we can see that we've got all of our locations. And we'll go. So we have Bearwood as a title here, and again further down it's been replaced, and the same for Bilston, another location, and we can scroll down and see that's there. Hopefully this has been a useful introduction into importing your existing content and styles into Page Generator Pro. We do have other videos on how to further work on this, including using syntax, dynamic elements and AI, which can really help to produce some very unique content for each of your generated pages.